Everyone hates mosquitoes. We hate their bites, and we hate the diseases that they spread. Around the world, mosquito-borne illnesses like malaria and dengue fever claim over 1 million lives per year. But this issue can't be adequately described by a single number. So how about this? Mosquitoes have been responsible for more human deaths than all of the wars in history combined. But why make this comparison to war? Let me explain. Imagine yourself in this outdoor scene. You might see sparrows playing in the bird bath or smell tulips in bloom. You might hear your friend telling you a story over coffee. Now imagine yourself in this scene as a mosquito. All of these plants now look like a perfect place to rest. The water in the bird bath, a perfect place to lay your eggs. And you can see plumes of carbon dioxide coming from two warm-blooded bodies. What we have here is a battlefield, one where our enemies seem to be everywhere and unpredictable. As this goes, millions of dollars are spent spraying insecticides far and wide in an attempt to reduce mosquito populations. But wouldn't mosquito control be more effective if it were based on the relationships between our environment and the mosquitoes who use it? My research looks at two questions. The first one is, how far do mosquitoes fly? That is, how far do they fly from where they were born, and what factors influence this dispersal behavior? So I want to know how factors like temperature, wind, and humidity affect these mosquitoes' quests to find mates, food, and blood. The mosquito in the corner shows how I can do this. Using ultraviolet fluorescent dust, I can mark thousands of mosquitoes at once, release them into the environment, which is scary, I know, and track their movement. I use the dust to recognize these mosquitoes when I recapture them in traps so that I can measure how far they've flown from where they were released. My second question is, do certain areas attract more mosquitoes than others? Why are there more mosquitoes on one side of the river than the other? And are mosquitoes really hiding in shrubs, waiting to ambush you? Using a geographic information system, or a GIS, I can visualize mosquito surveillance data alongside a map of environmental features like rivers, trees, and wetlands. GIS software allows me to analyze mosquito populations relative to these environmental features such that I can map out their presence in an area for any given day. A mapping model with this kind of precision would revolutionize mosquito control, allowing resources to be spent only where they'd be most effective in reducing mosquito populations. Development of models like these to be used all over the world would be a big leap towards winning our long war on mosquitoes and on the diseases that they spread. Thank you.